Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we are delving into this SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 18th, 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.47. Now let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 6.96% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 6.96% to 11.82%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 25.54% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between 20.88% and 30.02%. This corresponds to a price range of between $708.70 to $768.14 after a year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for SPY as ETF Downgraded to Sell Candidate. The SPY ETF price decreased by nearly 3% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, falling from $604.21 to $586.29. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 3.5%, with a low of $585.89 and a high of $606.41. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 3.51% during this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 42 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning signal, and the risk may rise slightly over the next few days. In total, 82 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $47.79 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $609.06, while the lowest was $466.43. Currently, the price stands 3.74%, or $22.77, below the 52-week high of $609.06, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. This week, the focus on the S&P 500, represented by the SPY ETF, highlights the anticipation surrounding upcoming federal open market committee decisions, as investors hope for a Santa Claus rally. With the S&P 500 having seen double-digit gains in 2024, the movement of major indices could be closely tied to new projections for 2025 that suggest further growth potential. Small-cap ETFs are gaining attention due to potential rate cuts, which could lower borrowing costs and enhance growth prospects for smaller companies. This trend bodes well for the S&P 500, especially as these companies often fuel broader market growth. Moreover, the dominance of AI stocks has propelled the index higher this year. However, there are concerns about valuation levels, as some analysts warn that the S&P 500 could be becoming overpriced after its recent streak. With predictions of potential instability in 2025, market dynamics may shift, positioning investors to reassess their strategies. In the short term, strong inflows into U.S. equity ETFs signal confidence, but caution is warranted given signs of market exuberance. Long-term investors will need to consider the balance between growth potential and valuation risks as they navigate this evolving landscape. The following signals have been identified for SPY. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SPY ETF is presenting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the ETF. On upward corrections, resistance will be observed at levels of $602.34 and $595.17. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, December 6, 2024, and so far it has declined by 3.55%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 94 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at 570.98, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered to be quite low for this ETF. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of 20.52 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.50%. In the last week, the ETF recorded a daily average volatility of 1.10%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $590.52. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, SPY meets its first support level at $570.98. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? The SPY ETF currently exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that SPY will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this ETF is negative. We have revised our analysis from a buy recommendation to a sell candidate due to minor weaknesses in the technical indicators. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 19th of December, we expect SPY to open at $6.57 and start trading at $592.86. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.